What's going on, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good day, happy new year, all that stuff. Having my coffee, so I want to get my microphone up. So this is an exciting time for you guys because you're selling your home, and anything real estate is exciting to me. So I want to drop in with talk to you guys really quick. Give you guys for sale by owners. Give them some insights, some tips, tricks. Maybe it's just something you forgot. I don't know. And hopefully I'm here. Hopefully these things will be helpful, if at the least to say they will be reminders for something for you to do. So with that being said, let's kind of get started. Subscribe to the channel. Leave if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'm gonna put my email. It should be somewhere. If you have any questions, again, you can just leave them in the comments also. So let's get started. This is a mastering your DIY home selling. I'm gonna slow down. This is a step-by-step guide for my sellers, okay, for sale by owners. So I want to welcome you into the channel. I am Daryl Taylor, the Virginia Realtor. Hopefully your favorite realtor. We're going to drop some insights today. Today we're diving into the world of DIY home selling. Okay, so if you're a homeowner, you're looking to sell your property on your own, that's fantastic. So you're in the right place. You're at the right video. I'm going to try to walk you through the process, give you some reminders, and later on I'll try to share why. If you need me, you can call your favorite realtor for some of the crucial stuff that may happen, some challenges that kind of might occur, maybe. All right, so let's get started. Here we go. Number one, setting the stage. Okay, so before we jump into the nitty gritty, let's kind of talk about preparing your home for the sale. You want to clean it up, declutter, and make those necessary repairs to kind of ensure that the property is market ready. That's easy stuff, right? Number two, pricing strategies. Okay, so we want to determine the right price. That's very key. Okay, so do the research for the comparable sales in the area and set a competitive yet realistic price to attract potential qualified approved buyers. Number three, effective marketing techniques. You want to create some eye-catching listings. You want to use high quality photos, and you want to have a detailed description. You also want to leverage your social media online platforms, right? And your traditional methods included to reach a broad audience. You want to get that out there. Number four, conduct some open houses and have some showings, okay? You want to host some open houses to showcase your home, right? Make it a welcoming place. Kind of be prepared to answer easy questions, tough questions. Schedule some private showings, right? For some serious buyers, qualified, approved buyers. Number five, negotiation skills. Okay, negotiation is an art. Be prepared to negotiate on the price, on the terms and the conditions a little bit, right? So, but you understand your bottom line. Remember your bottom line and stick to it. Stick to it. Number six, legalities and paperwork. This is important. Makes me nervous. Familiarize yourself with the local real estate laws, right? Ensure all necessary paperwork, contracts, and disclosures are in order and in place to protect you and the buyer, okay? Be protected. All right, so let's kind of transition really quick to why you might possibly call me. Now, selling your home on your own, like we said earlier, it can be rewarding. It's a great experience, but sometimes there are moments, maybe, possibly, when challenges could occur, may arise, might happen. So that's where having me, Daryl Taylor, your favorite Virginia Realtor, in your back pocket speed dial, text message, email is invaluable. Why would you call me? That's a great question. I'm glad you asked that. Number one, expertise and market knowledge. I've worked with investors through plumbing industry for years, right? So I bring experience. I have extensive knowledge of the market. So I can help you kind of navigate some of those tricky kind of negotiations and set a strategic pricing guide, pricing strategy that we want to stick to firm. Number two, network and resources. Network and resources. As a realtor, I have a vast network of potential buyers, qualified, pre-approved, ready buyers, and other real estate professionals to access some of these market resources that can give your property the proper visibility, get some eyes on it from the pre-approved, qualified buyers. And we're going to move on to problem solving. If issues arise during this process, I'll be here. I'll be ready to kind of guide you through from the legal matters to some of the unexpected hiccups, small things. Sometimes they happen, sometimes they don't. So my problem solving skills are going to ensure a smoother transaction so we can close the deal. Number four, maximize your profit. That's the key thing, right? You want to maximize your profit. Ultimately, the goal is to help you maximize your profit through some effective negotiations and kind of understanding the market trends and things that go up and down. So I can assure that we're going to get you the best value for your property. And that's what we want in the end. All right, so whether you choose to go the FSBO DIY route or kind of decide to work with your favorite realtor, the key is managing and making an informed decision. That's what we want. If you ever find yourself in need or in guidance, I'm just a phone call away. Don't hesitate. Hit me up. Give me a call. It's okay. Leave something in the comments. We can make selling your home an easy, fantastic, successful journey. And you know what, guys? It's been great. Again, subscribe to the channel. We're dropping videos, insights, tips, and tricks, all those things whenever you need them. And email me. Let's talk about some stuff. Good luck out there, and I am on my way to have some fun. All right, guys. I hope to see you on the next video. Take care of yourself. Good luck out there, and I'm wishing you much success. Take care.